my neighbor's car was vandalized. Alright guys, what's going on? So today we have a new product to test out. It's called ColorChip. It's one of many paint chip fixes out there. This is the most common, I think, or the most known to me anyways. Inside the box, pretty neat packaging. Comes with a microfiber cloth, some gloves. This is the towel. Based on my research, this is a towel to wipe away the solution. This is a paint prep solution. Alright, so I guess I don't need my alcoholics, my IPA prep. The Seal Act is supposed to be the magic solution where it's going to go ahead and wear away the paint, dissolve the paint, leaving only the chip to cover the chip or the scratch. But that's all you have. And on top of that, you have a little bit of micro brushes to go ahead and help us fill up everything. Alright, so that's all you have in the box. And from here, let's hope that it works, right? Let's get a closer look. It's pretty bad. And let's go ahead and get to work.
Hello. Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated. Welcome. Stay calm. And if you can, please enjoy the show.
I'm a walking Liberty Bell. Freedom ring through my stride. Freedom to be inside and be a slave to my pride and ride away to scream. Man, this love's so serene. I should probably shake it up just a little bit. I'm so not fine with content. I'm so in line with my stench. My career probably smell like piss, bitch. Switch hit on the line. You take a dip, I just dive into the shallow end cause the ground needed a dark. Write a song about Philly while I eat in LA. Cause my bars ain't constrained by my time and my space. Eating breakfast in LA, all alone by myself. All the pretty people around me reading books about self-help. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I knew how to be fine all by myself. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I didn't need to be around anyone else. I'm in a swan on a lake, thinking duck would be great. Be all alone in a boat made for lovebirds. I'll just pedal myself. I don't need anyone else. I think I'm fine just drowning in my dumb words. The sunburn on my skin, my melanin don't mean shit. Cause I'm yellow in a two-color run world. It's all binary code, 1010. I'm screaming maybe till computer errors unfurl. I write a song about a goose while I sit in a swan. Cause my bars ain't constrained by the bird that I'm on. Pedal boating in LA, all alone by myself. All the smiling people around me made me think I need help. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I knew how to be fine all by myself. Damn, I'm so lonely. I wish I didn't need to be around anyone else.
Alright guys, so after hours of hard work, here is the after product or results. You can't really tell anymore whether or not the car has been scratched up. Maybe a tiny bit over here. But overall, the ColorChip works as promised. It's not a miracle maker, especially with this car that has been scratched that much. But if you have like a couple rock chips in the front of your car, then it should be more than enough to make you happy. Alright, but overall, it's better than nothing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.